Hey y'all, it is me. I am Moist Andy. Now, today what we got here is some really old but never been used before, essentially in brand new condition. Lithium-Ion rechargeable 3.7 nominal voltage cells. There's two of them like parallel, but I got clear amber, clear deep red, and there you got a 5 volt maximum, 50 milliamp. And so, but when I take my multimeter and then I measure all of this voltages, it is telling me I have a 4.1, and then I have a 3.98, 3.99 in my lithium. I have these types of small, low power. This is low power. So then what I figured I wanted to do is see, originally they were actually supposed to be for a GoPro. That's the type of batteries we're talking about here. It ain't no 9 volt energizer. This is different. It was called Wasabi. This is just the charger for it, and it's just two little right angle terminals. It looks like to make the connection. Just take two little pieces of brass is what they did. What I'm gonna do is solder this though, because I'm special. I don't want to deal with any bullshit. This is 500 milliamps with 4.2 volts. That's the critical part. I can't fuck up the voltage or it might not charge them. They could also burst into flames. It's a potential possibility, but the way they're just discharging on these LEDs though, they would pretty much be doing the same exact thing if they were inside of a GoPro Hero 3, which I don't have. I got the GoPro Hero Plus. Just had the wrong batteries for the job. For right now, what I want to do with these though is I'm gonna let my light shine right here. You see what I'm saying? Hey y'all, LMAO, check it out. This is a 50 milliamp. It is a 100 milliwatts LEDs. That doesn't really serve much of a purpose other than just having a nice and cosmetic, pretty little light. If you want to build something pretty cool, get yourself a nice big old magnet, a 6 ohm speaker, or try a 1 watt but 8 ohm speaker with 8 of the ohms inside this little paper diaphragm. It is very nice to be able to just build with the volume knob, 5,000 ohms or 50 kilo ohms if I want. I got toggle switches, but I also have the other type with the two connections here, 2 poles, on, off, on. It's like that is on and that's off. This is on. That's technically also on, but see that one's different because it doesn't go like in the middle. It looks like this, the way this is, it's just hanging out straight up and down. It's not left or right. So it can go in 3 places. This is critical because what I'm making is gonna be with yellow flashers, LED. I'm going to have it just to have a turn signal for my bicycle. I could maybe get a bunch of these if I had enough of those. Maybe. But this is a 5 watt in each one of these. It's so much more durable if it drops on the ground or something. It's 12 volts and very nice. The nice thing about these things is you can plug the bed backwards or forwards. It doesn't matter which way you have them in the socket. They're intelligent enough. They have the technology to be able to know that. Switch around the polarity. They know how to do these things. So they've had all this stuff. It's all been developed. It's all been already put together, invented.